Welcome back to my channel. My name is Amaka. If this is your very first time here, thank you so much for clicking on this video. And yeah, from the title you can see I am installing jumbo afro twist for the first time on my hair. I'm just going to put you guys through how I did it. This is my very first time. Okay, so I'm starting off with my hair partly stretched. I braided my hair overnight after washing, so I'm just combing it out, and I'm also applying a little bit of heat with my blow dryer just to stretch out my hair. All right, so this is the twist that I'm going to be using. Is the Noble Gold twisting afro kinky attachment. I used about 3 packs, and these are the tools: scissors, some crochet pin, and some rat tail comb, as well as my shine and jam, a mousse, and some little rubber bands. Okay, so let's start prepping this hair. So it's good to also always prep your hair if you're going to be installing it yourself. Have the hair prepped already, and then pre-part your hair, guys, before you start. Okay, I'm not so good in parting. I've said it so many times on this channel, but I tried. Okay, so please drop a like for me for my parting skills. All right, so I started off sectioning off the front part of my hair. I'm going to link a video that assisted me to learn how to part my hair in the description box, so you guys can check it out. But I had my hair parted in 5 parts behind and then 2 parts in front, and that was it. Okay, it took me about an hour, guys, to part my hair, legit. All right, so I started off by braiding my hair in little sections. I had about 35 little braids. Yes, I was so thankful to be done. That took me about another 2 hours to completely braid down my hair, and then I went off camera to try to install this hair myself first. Okay, you know, I have to test it out first if I can show you guys and be sure that this video is going to be a good one. All right, so but this is what my ends look like. I'm going to go in and show you guys how I install this hair. So you take out 2 sections of the hair, medium size, okay, and then find a middle part of the hair, place the 2 across each other, and then twist it in the middle. Alright, so take your crochet pin lying flat, insert it into on top of your hair, okay, and then lock it, and then drag the hair gradually, guys. A lot of hair, so drag it gradually, and then once you have it out, you can stretch it out and make sure that the both hair are equal in sizes. And then I go on ahead by just finessing. Like you guys already know, I'm always finessing. And then I'm going to tuck in my braided hair into the kinky hair. Just tuck it in, find a way to tuck it in. I also use some gel just to smooth it out, and then guide my hands. Okay, and then I'm just going to go on ahead and twist. That's basically it, guys. No tension, no rubber band. Okay, and then I'm just going to go in and twist till I get to the end, guys. All right, so the hair is very puffy. I twisted it very loosely, and it's still puffed up and had some body after I twisted it. All right, so I'm just going to do that all through the hair. For the ends, guys, I had to create a little knot at the ends by just rolling the ends tight around each other, and this is what it looks like. Very cute. And then I'll stretch it out with my hands and like rub it together so that the body and the length of the hair will have some better defined shape, if you call it that. All right, so this is what the hair looks like. I'm just going to show you guys one more time. So again, insert a crochet pin flat on the hair, grabbing the kinky hair, lock it, stretch it out, and pull it out gently, guys. Very gently. There's a lot of hair, and then there you have it. From there, you have at least the hair on both sides. Try to tuck in your natural hair into the kinky hair using some gel. Okay, tuck it in, roll it around each other, just tuck it in, and then you twist. As you twist, you can always add extra hair to, you know, increase the length, which I did. I also added some neon colored kinky attachment that I had previously to the tips. So you can see that some of the strands had the neon colored hair. Okay, that's for extraness. All right, so I was so thankful to be done with this hair, guys. It took me a long time. Yeah, you can see I missed a spot, I missed one hair, but I still went back in and installed it. So I didn't know what I was going to achieve by doing this, but I thought about putting the hair in hot water. It doesn't really matter, hot or cold water doesn't affect the hair. It is synthetic. So I put the hair in hot water just to be able to, I wanted the hair to really lay and have equal shape, you know, like lay flat, because it was very poofy. All right, so I started in the hot water and also damped hot water around the roots of my hair just to calm any tension from my roots. Okay, and yeah, basically that. We're almost done. I went and also don't forget your edges, guys. If there's any tension anywhere that is really itching, you just use hot water and damp around it and you get relieved. Okay. All right, so this is the final result. I went in with mousse. I'm not going to advise you or recommend that you use this type of mousse. Use the liquid wrapping mousse, is best. Okay, this mousse was a little bit sticky on my hair, which I didn't like, but then use a mousse to lay any flyaways around your hair and get everything smooth out and flat. Guys, it took me a long time. It took me about 8 hours to complete this hairstyle. I'm not gonna lie, about 8 long hours. Okay, because it was my first time and I was filming it as well. I started very early and it took me a long time. All right, but this is what the hair looks like. I hope you guys are enjoying this video. Okay, I hope you can attempt to do and try it out yourself. I did it, you can do it. All right, yes. All right, so after a couple of weeks, this is what the hair looks like. Okay, none of my hair is relaxed. I loved it better after a couple of weeks. So this was about after 2 weeks, and this was the final result. Okay, yes, get into it. All right, so I'm going to write down the products I used in this video in the description box. I used about 3 packs, like I said, and I had about 35 pieces of hair. Okay, and the attachments cost about 1,500 each if you buy it in wholesale shops. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed making it for you guys. I hope you please drop a like for me, okay, for Ginger, for just to encourage me, guys. Okay, I really would like it if you guys subscribe. If you enjoy my video, please subscribe to my channel. I love you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in another video. Thank you so much. Bye, guys.